In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Trello boards to another workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to transfer a board between workspaces using Trello's built-in settings, along with a few helpful tips to avoid permission or visibility surprises along the way. Start with your Trello board open on your screen. We'll use the board's menu to make the move. Look to the top right corner of the board for the three dots icon. That opens the board menu, which is where Trello keeps a lot of the administrative options you'll need. Click it to reveal more options, then choose Settings. This section controls key details about the board, including who owns it and which workspace it belongs to. Inside Settings, find the Workspace field. It will show the board's current workspace. Click the current workspace name to open a list of available workspaces you can move this board to. If you don't see the destination workspace in the list, it usually means you're not a member of that workspace or you don't have permission to move boards there. In that case, ask a workspace admin to add you or adjust permissions, then return to this screen. From the list, select the workspace you want. Before you confirm, it's a good idea to consider what happens next. Moving a board changes who can see and manage it based on the destination workspace's settings. If the new workspace is on a different plane, certain features like power-ups, automations, or custom fields might be limited or behave differently. All your lists, cards, attachments, due dates, and comments stay with the board, but member access may change. Members who aren't part of the new workspace may be converted to guests or could lose access, depending on the workspace's policies. When you're ready, click Change to finalize the move. Trello will update the board's workspace immediately. The board link itself generally remains the same, so any bookmarks should still work. But it's wise to let your team know about the move so they're not surprised by permission changes. If the option to change the workspace is grayed out, check that you have admin access on the board and sufficient rights in the destination workspace. Also, ensure the destination workspace allows additional boards under its plan. That's it. You opened the board menu, went into settings, selected the desired workspace, and confirmed the change. With these steps, you can quickly organize your Trello boards across workspaces while keeping your projects tidy and accessible to the right people.